Does your website sit there in cyberspace doing a bunch of nothing? You were told you needed one because everyone serious in business has a website. But you're left wondering, how can I use my website as a marketing tool to bring in more customers? Well, I have good news for you. With some minor tweaking and a few strategic enhancements, you can turn your website from an expense into a powerful profit center that brings in hot, pre-qualified leads day in and day out. If your website is currently doing nothing to grow your business, or even worse, it's a drain on your time and money, then now is the time to fix it. And we want to help by giving you a free 20-point website profitability checklist that will show you where your website falls short, what is doing well, and what to do next. Simply complete the form on this page and download it now.